Ever feel like you're a human router, constantly jumping between apps, copying and pasting information, and performing the same repetitive tasks over and over? What if you could automate all of that, not with some complicated coding program, but with a platform that's actually intuitive and works with your team? That's what Relay is all about. And in this video, we're taking a deep dive into the Relay app for both iOS and Android to see if it lives up to the hype. Relay is a workflow automation tool, but it's got a few key differentiators that set it apart from its competitors. First, its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a developer to build complex automations. With its drag-and-drop playbook builder, you can connect apps like Gmail, Notion, and HubSpot with ease. The app simplifies what can be a very technical process, making it accessible to anyone who wants to streamline their work. But here's the game changer. Relay isn't just about automation. It's about combining AI with human oversight. This is what they call human-in-the-loop automation. So while Relay can handle the repetitive data entry or content generation, it can also pause a workflow and ask for a human approval or data input. This is critical for high-stakes tasks where you want to maintain control and ensure accuracy. For example, you can have Relay automatically draft a contract, but it won't send it until you've given it your final review. It's the perfect blend of efficiency and control. Relay also excels with its deep integrations. Users rave about how reliable and functional the app connections are, something that's not always a given with other platforms. You can create a flow that automatically creates a meeting brief from a calendar event, or a playbook that tracks SEO rankings and sends a daily digest to your inbox. The possibilities are truly endless, and the app's powerful features, like mini AI agents and a custom prompt step, allow you to create tailored solutions for your unique needs. Of course, no app is perfect. Some users have noted that for projects that don't fit a standardized mold, the structure can feel a bit rigid. And while there is a free plan, some of the more advanced features are locked behind higher price tiers, so you'll want to check their pricing to see what fits your needs. But the general consensus is overwhelmingly positive. From individuals to large teams, users consistently praise its ease of use, robust AI capabilities, and exceptional customer support. It's a tool that genuinely saves time and helps teams stay aligned. So, if you're tired of manual tasks and want a smarter way to work, Relay might be the solution you've been looking for. It's not just another automation tool. It's a platform that understands the value of both AI-driven efficiency and human-in-the-loop intelligence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.